This meditation will make your specific person lose sleep until they contact you. Their life will suck without you, and they will be utterly miserable and unlucky. They will realize that this misfortune is because you're not around. So then they will take action and fix things with you in order to end their suffering. Now let's begin. I am their only purpose. I am their will to live. Nothing matters without me. There is no happiness outside of me. They are miserable without me. Their life has been falling apart without me. They are in shambles without me. They cry missing me. Nothing makes sense to them without me. They are so lost and confused without me. They haven't felt joy or pleasure since the last time they saw me. Their days are cold, sad, boring, and dreadful without me. I am the light, the warmth, and the joy in their life. They miss me desperately, and they have to do something about it. They desire to get me back as soon as humanly possible. When I'm not around, they are unlucky. I'm their lucky charm. I improved their life so much, and they can clearly see the difference now. They miss my love and care. They are constantly thinking about me, and it's driving them crazy. They need me like they need air. The thought of me moving on makes them feel completely miserable. They only feel happy when they are around me. I am their peace of mind. I am the reason their life has meaning. When we're not in contact, they feel like their whole world is crumbling. Their heart aches for me. They need me more than oxygen. They love to serve me. They couldn't handle losing me. They want me. They miss me. They are reaching out to me constantly. Type, they are reaching out to me constantly to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.